Welcome to the MUSICFY AI tutorial and review. Have you ever had a creative idea pop into your head that you couldn't turn into music? Maybe you don't have access to all the instruments you need, or perhaps you want to experiment using your own voice. MUSICFY AI is here to help you. It allows you to turn vocal samples into different instruments and train the AI to understand your voice, enabling you to create music, sound effects, and much more. To start creating music and exploring your options with MUSICFY AI, make sure to click the personal link in the description below for a free tutorial. However, if you're serious about this creative endeavor, I recommend signing up for a paid plan. Getting started with MUSICFY AI, let's head over to the MUSICFY AI website. The interface is very user-friendly, with a sleek, dark aesthetic. The main dashboard is designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. Here you'll find various options such as My Voices, Instruments, and Remixes. Creating your first sample. Now let me show you what MUSICFY AI is capable of. For example, I created a basic beatbox sample myself, which I'll show you first, and then I'll demonstrate how the AI converts it into something more sophisticated. Here's my original beatbox. As you can hear, it's pretty basic and amateur. Now I'll show you the output after I use MUSICFY AI to remix it. As you can hear, the beatbox was transformed into computerized drums, sounding much more professional. This is just one example of what MUSICFY AI can do. It can also handle lyrical music, different remixes, and more. Using MUSICFY AI. Effectively using MUSICFY AI is straightforward, but it does require some basic musical skills, such as beatboxing or singing, and a basic understanding of how to export music samples to create an AI model. You will also need some experience with DAW, digital audio workstation applications. Plans and pricing. Once you click the link provided and get started, you'll see there are limited vocal options available on the free plan. To fully utilize MUSICFY AI's tools, you should subscribe to a paid plan. Click on Billing option. You'll see a pop-up discount is Save 50% on your first month. Available in 1 day left. Click Upgrade today, and here are the pricing options. Basic plan, $9.99 per month, but discount is $5.55. Includes unlimited generations, standard speed of creation, standard sound generation, 25 instrumental generations, and 2 custom voice model. Professional plan, $24.99 per month. Price after discount is $13.88, includes unlimited generations, standard speed, premium sound, 100 instrumental generations, and 6 custom voice models. Studio plan, designed for studio use, includes unlimited generations, fastest speeds, premium sound, unlimited instrumental generations, and 30 custom voice models in just $38.88. Preparing your samples. Before you can start creating AI models with MUSICFY AI, you need to prepare your samples. Use a reliable program such as a DAW to gather multiple samples of your instrument or voice. Make sure your samples are dry, without reverb or delay, and cover different note ranges. Aim for at least 4 to 5 minute samples for better results. You can also use software like Soundtrap, which is free and online, to create and layer your samples. Here's an example of the process in Soundtrap. Start by adding new tracks, making sure they are all voice and mic tracks, not instrumental tracks. Once you have your samples, you can export them all together or individually. For instance, I created samples of beatbox, rhythm guitar, bass, and lead guitar. After exporting, you can upload them to MUSICFY AI. Training the AI on the MUSICFY AI dashboard, go to My Voices and unleash your creativity. Upgrade to the appropriate plan if needed to access all features. You can train the AI with your audio files to create customized models. For example, you can train the AI to make your guitar sound like famous guitarists. Once your AI model is trained, you can start recording and uploading different audio files. Use the Instrumentals section to upload your files. Choose the pitch and quality settings and then click Remix. The AI will process your audio and provide a new version. For instance, I recorded a basic drum beat and converted it into a more complex version using MUSICFY AI. Here's a sample of the original recording, and the AI-generated result. As you can hear, the AI can enhance your instrument recordings significantly. You can also download the generated results and further tweak them with reverb or remix them with other music. Beyond instruments, sound effects, and voice models, MUSICFY AI isn't limited to instruments. You can use it with random sounds like animal noises or sound effects, converting them into musical elements. For example, I recorded a saxophone riff using my voice and converted it into a sax remix of Careless Whispers. You can see how well the AI mimics different instruments, even from simple vocal inputs. Similarly, I created a violin sample and adjusted the pitch to achieve a high-quality violin sound. As you can see, the AI can transform your voice into various instrumental sounds accurately. Exploring creative possibilities, MUSICFY AI opens up a world of creative possibilities. Here are a few more examples of what you can achieve. Vocal harmonies. Create complex vocal harmonies from a single vocal track. Soundscapes. Generate ambient soundscapes from natural sounds or city noises. Custom instruments. Design custom instruments by combining different sound samples. Experimental music. Push the boundaries of traditional music by experimenting with unconventional sounds and effects. Tips for best results. To get the best results from MUSICFY AI, keep the following tips in mind. High-quality samples. Ensure your recordings are high quality and free from background noise. Variety of samples. Provide a variety of samples covering different pitches and tones. Consistent input. Use consistent input levels and avoid drastic volume changes within your samples. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sounds and settings to find unique combinations. Conclusion. In conclusion, MUSICFY AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to turn their creative ideas into music. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, MUSICFY AI can help you produce professional-sounding music using just your voice or basic recordings. With its user-friendly interface and advanced AI capabilities, MUSICFY AI makes music creation accessible and exciting. Don't forget to use the personal link in the description to get started with a free tutorial and explore the full potential of MUSICFY AI. Whether you're looking to create music for fun, professional projects, or experimental purposes, MUSICFY AI is your gateway to endless musical possibilities. Thank you for watching this tutorial and review. Happy music making!